Hello class, today we are taking a look at calculating discounts and sale price. In question 8, we have a little bit of the work done for us. So we have our template that our discount is going to be some percent of the regular price. And since our product is 60% off with a regular price of 800, we know that our discount is going to be 60% of 800. There are, of course, a few ways we could calculate 60% of 800. We could either use benchmarks or our equation. If we use benchmarks, we're going to set up our t-table. So we're going to add up some percents that give us a total of 60%. And we're going to think of those worth of those percents for or of 800. So the easiest percents I can think of to get to 60 from our benchmark percents are 50% and 10%. 50% of 800 is half of 800, which is 400, and 10% of 800 moves its dot once. Moving the dot once in 800 makes 80. Since I have to add 50 and 100 to make 50 and 10% to make 60%, I'm going to add 480 to get $480. Since $480 is 60% of 800, and our discount is 60% of 800, our discount amount is $480. And just remember, money always has those two decimal places. Then to find our sale price, the $480 is the amount of money that we're saving. So we're going to take our $480 that we calculated as a discount amount, and we're going to plug it into this equation. Our equation for the sale price is take your regular price and subtract whatever your discount is. So in this case, we're subtracting 480. So we'd start with our 800 on top. We need to subtract 480. To do this, we are going to need to borrow 10 takeaways, we can do 0 take away 0, that part's easy. To do our next digit though, we'll need to borrow. 10 take away 8 is 2, and 7 take away 4 is 3. So our sale price is $320. Now keep in mind we could use an equation to calculate our 60% of 80 as well, in which case we'd be doing the calculation 60 out of 100 times 800. And when we do this calculation, we'll translate that into the decimal, 0.6 times 800, and that's a multiplication we can do. 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 8, and then we have our one digit of decimals, makes one digit of decimals. We got our same answer of 480 using our equation as well. In question 2, we have to fill in some information. So our discount amount is some percent of our regular price. We're trying to find our discount amount. We know that our percent here is 25% off. And that is going to be of our regular price of $42. So we want to find 25% of 42. Our benchmark percents approach says that 25% of 42 is 42 divided by 4. So let's go ahead and divide 42 by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 2 0 times. So we'll add our dot 0. And 4 goes into 25 times. So we could say our discount is $10.50 from our division. If we use our equation, we're going to go ahead and say that our discount, of course, is 25% of 42. So we'd have to do 0.25 times 42. Let's set that up. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Placeholder 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 1050. And of course, again, we have our 2 digits of decimals, so 2 digits of decimals. We get that same answer of $10.50 for our discount. Subbing that into our sale price equation, our sale price is going to be equal to our regular price of 42. We're going to need to take away from that our $10.50 that we just found in our discount amount. So let's set that up. 42.00 goes on top, 10.50 goes on the bottom, 0 take away 0. I can't do 0 take away 5, so I'll borrow. 10 take away 5 is 5, 1 take away 0 is 1, and 4 take away 1 is 3. So our answer is that our sale price is $31.50. In question C, we're going to use our format that our discount amount is equal to some percent of the regular price. In this case, we're looking for a discount amount, and our percent is 35% of 180 is the regular price. If we use our benchmarks, probably the easiest percents we can use are 25% and 10%. And adding those together will give us 30%. Then we want to think of their worth for the number 180. 25% is the number divided by 4. So if we do our 180 divided by 4, 4 goes into 1 0 times, 4 goes into 18 4 times, and 4 goes into 20 5 times. And then our 10% just moves our dot once, so it's just 18 instead of 180. We'll add those together. 5 plus 8 is 13, carry 1, and then 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is that our discount is $63 in this case. For our sale price then, we're going to do our sale price equals our regular price minus our discount amount. Our regular price is 180. We need to subtract our 63. So we'll go ahead and set that up. 180, 63. Oops. Take away. We'll need to borrow. 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 take away 6 is 1. 1 take away nothing is 1. And our answer is our sale price is $117. So you can see how we just work through the same steps in every question. Use your regular price and your percent to find your discount amount, and then use your regular price and discount amount to find your sale price. So I hope that's helped you with your discounts and sale price.